Welcome to the place where we love to talk about customer experience. And today I've got a really interesting topic for you, and I'm glad that you joined me. Today we're going to talk about product development, which is a great topic. I used to work in product development, so I understand some of the limitations that exist, but there are ways to design products, develop products that are more intuitive and that will have a better revenues and better performance than anything else. So I have a story for you. It's about an architect who I learned. He was trying to figure out, he designs this beautiful building and he's trying to figure out where to put the walkways, the doors between the parking and the entry of the building. So what does he do? He doesn't design it based on what works or what he learned in school. He plants grass all around the building and then waits a couple of months and then comes and uses the footpaths that people had formed on the grass to develop the paths to the door. How cool is that? That's the most intuitive, because the fact that people are walking on the grass on certain paths, then you can see what direction they prefer to use and you can design based on that. I mean, it's brilliant. And I know it may not work for every industry, but it just tells you think differently. Look at customer experience differently. Look at product development and design with the customer in mind, and design your products differently. Don't just do what your competitors are doing. Sit down and see what value add can you also give me that will make my life easier or give me more convenience or peace of mind. It could be whatever it is, but there are ways in which you can actually design your products and make them more intuitive and think differently when it comes to figuring out how to do that. So that's my tip for you today, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.